presyo ng mga beef dito sa Walmart. Beef strip sirloin steak, $40.91, 3 pieces. Ayun, 32.21 per kilogram. Itong beef bracing chuck short ribs, $13.94. Ayan. Kaya kung sa inyo yung mga value pack na may ganyan, na kulay pula, ayan mga kukunin ninyo para makatipid-tipid. Ito pa mga yung ibang puti kasi mga solo pack ba kinuha nila. Ayan, $17 isang piece of meat. Ayan, itong mga sandwich steak, it's $24.18 per kilogram. Yung isa na yan, ito medyo murang $7.30. Ayan. Kasi itong pagkas sa mga hiwa-hiwa na stewing beef, yan, $19.78 per kilogram. Boneless stewing beef. Yan. Ayan, o. Sa beef area tayo. Yan. $11 to beef Cubs sirloin, Cubs of steak. Dalawa lang. Yan. Ito $18. Beef boneless rib steak. Yan. Ito isa lang, $14 halos ang isa. Nakita na yung mga ano. Ito naman sa mga pork tenderloin, yung ginagamit ko pang tusino para mas malambot. Ayan. Ito $9.85 per kilogram ang ano, isang pork loin, center beef and sirloin. Ayan. So mga chorizo sila. At ano, ito iba namin yan, Italian pork sausage, family pack, value pack. Ayan. Kablogs, ayan, ihaw tayo ng barbecue chicken na minarinate sa bullseye. Kubera natin mga kablogs. Mga kablogs, oh, 1 week pa lang madami na siyang ano, ang dami ng dahon, ang dami ng agyo. Ayan, oh. Ayan. No, wait, what's wrong? Tuesday, hindi masyado mainit, hindi masyado malamig, tamang tama for a t-shirt weather. Ayan. Yan, basura day. Ang basura day, yan, nilalagay namin dyan ang basura. Tapos yan, nagko-collectahan nila after mga 12 or around 10:30 I think. So check-in natin ang ating basketball court. I don't think may naglalaro. Dati siguro marami mga bata rito. Ngayon hindi na school to ngayon eh. Parang opisina na lang ng mga, may opisina ang Northern Health dyan. dito sa LaSalle School. Ang Northern Health may opisina, meron din ang school district opisina rito, School District 57 dito sa British Columbia. Ayan oh, green na ang mga grass, damo. Ganda na. Nako, mag-mow na tayo ng lawn natin yan. So, ayan oh. So, ayun. At buhay Canada, you know, you get some sunshine out of the day. Kasi pag winter nga, ayan, may tayo dito. Pag winter nga ay mga 4 hours lang minsan sunshine, o wala pa minsan dahil sa overcast. So during the day, sa pagka ganitong magandang panahon, get some sunshine to increase those serotonin levels, those happy hormones. You can get those from exercises, mga ganyan, from walking. Pag medyo may edad na, medyo walking na lang, tsaka jogging kung may time. Yan, nakakatamad minsan, but you're gonna have to do it for your own sake, right? So ayan, so yun lang, lakad dyan kung may time. Ayan, ayan o. Yeah, ganitong mga oras, wala pang masyadong mga nagpupunta rito para pataihin ng mga aso nila, kasi magtatanghali pa lang. Nataon naman na day off tayo, so i-take advantage natin ang day off sa mga organize ng garahe, bahay, kwarto, at saka sa pag-ARCO. Ayan, okay. Yan mga ka-vlogs, ang quick dinner. Bili ka lang ng Italian sausage. Ito nabili ko sa Walmart ng $11.57 I think. Ayun, ang dami oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16 na mga tig 5 inches I think. Yan. Yan na mga ka-vlogs, balik ta rin natin. Juicy. Mainit dun sa bandang gitna. Naapoy din sa kanan, no? Masunog. Quick ulam for dinner. Hi, airplane. Yeah. Bye, airplane.
Bye-bye.
Ayan mga ka-vlogs, pagka bagong kain nitong springtime, mag-shooting tayo.
You can.
Yeah, just half.
Oh, hey, Kitty. I proved to you. My dad has a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
That is a me too.
Hmm?
You're gonna be on YouTube. I'm girl. I gotta watch that video now.
Yeah.
Bonifactor à toi.
Yeah. Yay.
Bravo!
Bravo. Okay.
Give Roy candy.
Give Roy candy. Oh,
Here you go.
grab one.
Why don't you spray it?
Yeah.
Come on. Let me get this so he doesn't have candy. Why not?
Okay.
Yeah, why not?
Our teacher gives us candy.
No, I'm sure. I'm sure.
Oh,
No, Messi, let me get your Wow! Exciting!
I popped the chip bag.
No, that's not. Yeah, no making.
Please don't make a mess.
We're saying very nice. Very nice. So nice. Grow big and strong. Hey, Roy, did you want to explain to Mommy and Daddy what these are?
Yeah.
Do you remember?
What is
Do
that?
you remember what these leaves are called?
Oh, like, well, like they fall off because they're fake leaves, and then there's like this real leaves,
True leaves, yeah.
Yeah,
These are the
true
true leaves.
and then these ones fall off for like food or I
Yeah,
think.
yeah, yeah.
I didn't know that.
I didn't either. I learned it.
Oh, yeah. He said that. The toy?
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing. I love it.
That's a small one, so I don't.
Aladdin.
Oh, so you're Toby.
Ang panglinis ng daan. Nilinis nila, ni-scrub na matanggal yung mga gravel. Ayan.
Pero sabi
May
in
ikot.
terms of shower,
Sorry.
Ayan.
Anak, natatakot niyan si Albo. Ang galing, no? Ini-scrub pa ang daan. Saan ka pa? Dito lang yan sa Canada.
Paikot, oh.
Ini-scrub ang
Tuesday and Thursday,
daan.
Tapos kinukuha yung ano,
1799.
sinasak yung gravel
Nasa
niyan.
yung gravel niyan.
Good deal.
Kasi dyan sa gilid natin, maraming ano eh. Gravel eh.
Dito sa gilid, oh, kanina. Sine-check ko lang. Okay naman, hinihigop yung mga gravel para I guess wala nang snow eh, so hindi na kailangan yung gravel. Yun, mag lawn mower, mahaba na yung mga grass, oh. Yun, so magmo-mow tayo ng lawn. Papamow natin si Cleans para matuto. Yan. Yan. Mainit. Yan, ito yung shade nila, oh. Ito. And the early colonists. Catholic Church and the Indian were instrumental. Yan natin yung river. Ano raw, flooding daw ngayon eh. Lakas ng ano eh. Lakas yung tawag nun, current. Ang dumi. Kala mo higad do. Yan, tinatawag na sandbanks eh. Sandbanks. Parang na landslide eh, no? Ayun, ang ganda oh. Picture ka rito. Yeah, mga vlogs pagka summertime or ano pa lang ngayon, spring exhibition park. May mga fair. Yan. Tickets. Lakas na. Dragon. Roll the ball. Ayan, tingnan natin dito ang mga rides tsaka yung pagkain na churros. Take your lemonade. Take your lemonade. Ayan. Burger.
Right over here.
Yeah. Ito yung ano pagkain, deep fried. Sweet. May mini donuts oh. Mini donuts. May mini donuts. Superman.
Ready?
Ito po ay 72 feet. Ayan o, itataas tapos ibabagsak. resibo. Pasukin mo naman! Ayan mga ka-vlogs, tayo nasa trabaho sa Canada ulit. Kaya yan, at nintay lang natin na humupa yung mga estudyante. Tapos mga estudyante dito nagpasokan na eh. Nintay ko lang humupa. Well, kanina ang daming estudyante pumapasok, so ayaw na makipagsabayan sa kanila. Yan, pagka nakapasok na sila, medyo okay na yung paligid, saka tayo pumasok punta sa opisina ng school. Ayan, mga old pickup truck dati oh. Galing oh, kulay yellow, Ford. Nice. Birthday cake na ice cream cake para sa aking anak na si Roy. Nag 8th birthday kahapon. Alright, ayan, tingnan natin dito.
So that's the small, medium, large? Yeah, we have a medium then instead of the small. Yeah.
Birthday cake.
Medium and large. Medium and large. I please have a snack size blizzard.
Ay mga ka-vlogs, kanta naman tayo. Sabi dito may butas na. Ayan o, kakanta ko sa inyo ah. Habang may wag nang suotin ang brief mong luma, may butas na sa bandang gitna. Sisilip dyan ang iyong Junjun. Mahirap na may masisilaw sa marriage. Ang buhay ay ganyan, kahit brief di ka mabibilhan. Malala, lumalaki pa ang butas. Ay nako mga ka-vlogs, naloloko na. So after kumain, no, lakad-lakad muna tayo. Mukhang uulan eh, pero nasa 24 degrees siya ngayon eh. Mga ilang araw ng mainit, tapos may ulap. Sa gabi ata umamon minsan, pero ngayon mamayang gabi siguro. It's Friday afternoon, mag-aano siguro mga ulan. So tinake advantage ko munang maglakad para hindi tayo mabasa. Mamaya pa tayo maglalakad. Points. Ayan mga ka-vlogs, oh, ang ating sandbanks dito sa North BC. At malago na ang grass at saka yung mga dahon nag-lantaran na. Ayan na, hanggang getting ready na talaga for full-blown summer days. Kanina after work, diretso sana ako sa sa lake, West Lake. Malapit lang na lake dito. Kaso pagdating ko sa bahay, bumili ako ng birthday cake para kay sa bunso. Tapos wala naman tao pagdating ko. Hiyayain ko sana sila. Friday after school yung mga bata naghangout ata sa mall. Tapos si Esme pagka sundo kay bunso, may binili sa Art Nap, yung parang greenhouse na plant greenhouse dito, bilihan ng mga plants. So ayun, nag-nap na lang ako imbis na pumunta sa lake sana. Sa pagkakain ngayon, yan, naglakad-lakad para naman matagtag natin yung ating kinain. Yan, ito yung anthillo. Bakit may puti-puti na dyan? Dami, oh. Grabe. Kingdom ata yun sila, no? Anthill Kingdom. Ayan. Ayan, medyo nilinis na, in-scrub na nung ating city yung daanan. Sa sinipsip na yung mga gravel. Tapos ayan yung ating lawn. Hello? What's up?
I just seen this cute cat.
Oh, yeah.
Ask what happened to his fur.
Yeah, you
and
can't
then-
reach the back, so
Yeah, Jesus.
yeah, we might have to shave it off.
Actually, you should just. That's better idea.
Yeah.
Go to one of those cat groomers. It will totally make it feel better. Give you advice of how to give it on diet, and it will totally clean this part out.
Which one do you recommend?
I actually never seen
Grooming?
one of those places that takes care of your pets and then groom it.
Yeah.
And I don't know what they're called, but
Yeah, we gotta give them a call. Yeah, he likes to be pet. His name's Toya.
I didn't get your name. Eli. Oh.
Eli.
Roy.
You live around here?
My older brother. Yeah, I live in the cul-de-sac.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, my brother doesn't want to.
Where do you go to school?
The worst school in British Columbia.
What one? Nos Deo?
No, like it was actually rated on the newspapers. Ryan Brand.
Around Brent? Why is it the worst school, you said?
I don't know. It's just like one with the.
It's a nice school. Yeah.
There's people who come there. They only see the back.
Oh. Yeah, Ron Brent. Yeah, it's just. So your parents drop you off to Ron Brent?
Yeah, that I usually walk home.
Oh yeah, that's quite a walk, I think. From Ron Brent.
It's a good exercise. Look how skinny I am.
You high school or?
No, I'm in grade 6. I'm about to turn grade 7.
Oh, Nos Deo is closer, no?
What?
Nos Deo? That's elementary school too. Nos Deo school.
Lac des Bois.
No, Nos Deo.
Oh, the one there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it kind of makes sense for me to go that way, like to that school, but I can't go right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that place.
Yeah, with the playground. We go. They go there for the playground.
Oh, what grade is Roy?
He's in grade 2. Grade 2 in Lac des Bois.
And then what's the others?
The other one's PGSS grade 9 or 10, I think. High school. Anong grade mo, Cleans? What grade is Cleans?
Grade 9.
Oh, grade 9. Yeah. Cleans is grade 9. So, and that's her sister coming. His sister. Chantal. Chantal's in grade 8. How old are you?
I'm almost 12.
12?
Really,
Oh,
really
okay.
soon.
Chantal's 13. Chantal, meet Eli. Eli is in grade. Yeah, that's Eli.
Eli?
Yeah, he saw the cat. That's Chantal. Yeah,
The
cul-de-sac.
cul-de-sac.
Behind the cul-de-sac. Oh, you could actually go this way. It's closer.
Oh, you have a new
Jasper
friend?
Park.
You have a new friend?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Isang yun. Doon kayo.
Ito ano? Tagal yung kumain.
Did you wish? Did you wish? You didn't wish?
Uh-oh. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. There you go.
Oh.
Did you got?
Tapos may lang ako. Lubang-lubano.
Uy, malaki pa ako.
Hey, can you have the
Oo,
Roy
lubano.
part? Can you have the Roy part?
Alam
You
mo,
want the Roy part?
yung
Yeah.
kapatid ni Dumaka,
I want the Roy part.
Okay.
she's 12 years old, but like her shoe size, her shoe size
Her shoes?
is like
Her shoes, eyes?
mga her shoe size is like mga 8.
Sa mga ano sila, iba yung lahi nila.
Happy birthday to you.
Malaki sila ng malaki ang mga paan nila.
Duh.
Duwende.
Da 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 da.
And yeah, that's
Ikaw eh. I don't know.
It's a problem now, you know?
I don't know kung saan ka nag-run.
Eh, kahit yung 12 years old ngayon, ano yung kapatid niya, magiging 12 years old pa rin.